Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to a new video. As you guys can tell, we are painting in this video our 2019 Cadillac CT6. Here we are, we got all our parts up, got our sensors, the tow hook cap, our hood. Everything is hung up, ready to get painted, and we can get some shots of painting it.
Thank you for your honesty. Now fuck off and die.
The last clip that we had of our Cadillac rebuild was repainting the car. And as you can tell right over here, we have our hood that we just repainted. We had 3 different samples of paint that we tried. And on the 3rd try, we thought it was relatively close and blendable. And now realize it's not as perfect as we really want it to be. We're gonna have to do something with the paint, repaint it, and hopefully we could get a better paint match. I don't know why this color is being super tough to us, but it is. But one of our bigger issues is our wiring. So let me explain that. As you guys probably remember, if you guys are keeping up, our wiring is or was ripped off from the front bumper, and it also got ripped off on this side. What happened was, with the parts car, all the options we thought were the same. So we thought the wiring harness would be able to work on this car, which we come to find out does not work. And now we're kind of stuck in a place with, we can't find a parts car with the same wiring harness because everything needs to be, all the specs need to be exactly the same. And 2, Dealership hasn't let us know if we could even buy these. So confusion with the dealership, confusion with the parts cars, to make everything that much worse, just to top it. These are this is like a main wiring harness. On some cars, you would think, oh, like they would have connection right here so you could take it off, or maybe even further in, but no. This car, no. The wiring is connected all the way throughout the car. It's the main harness. If we replace these two, we have to rip apart the entire interior and replace it. So kind of stuck where we are now. We're gonna be changing, hopefully getting the paint dialed in perfect, because we want it to look perfect. Obviously, we're not gonna half-ass this job. So that's kind of where we're stuck, is the wiring harness. It's really unfortunate. So yeah, if anyone knows the parts, but we're really just waiting for the dealer to hopefully tell us that we could buy it, find it somewhere, something along those lines, because other than that, it's going to be a lot of trial and error connecting them. But yeah, wiring harness is our biggest problem right now. And I think this video is going up this week, because last time I recorded this, we painted, and that was probably a week or two ago. And I thought by now we would have the wiring in, but we don't. But we're gonna have a video come out on the Supra, and also probably gonna make a really short like parts clip of the forklift, because we just repainted it. So look out for that, I think, if I don't put it in this video. But yeah, that's pretty much what's going on. So when we figure that out, we'll continue working on it. Till then, catch you guys next time we pick up the camera, or catch you guys in our next video.